Apart from these options, you could also just film yourself speaking over anything that you could normally open up on your desktop. Now, all the things I've gone through so far have been in the free version, but the only problem with the free one is there is a time limit to recordings. So you can only do a recording of up to 5 minutes maximum in length. If you want to go on any longer than this, then you need to pay for the premium version. I haven't found this to be an issue so far because I've only been making 5-minute segments for my lessons and then uploading them to Google Classroom in parts. So I did like part 1, part 2, part 3 of a lesson instead. Once you have got to near the 5 minutes, about 30 seconds beforehand, it'll tell you, it'll give you a warning, and then it'll automatically stop you on the 5 minutes if you end up running to that time. If you want to stop it any earlier, what you can do is either use the stop button down here, or you just click the at the top and then just click stop, and that'll be you finished your recording. Once that's done, it'll automatically open an editing window. So this is the one for the video I made, the first part of this video from earlier. Now, in this editing window, it looks exactly like this. You can do quite a few different things. You can either watch the video back, play it back to check it. You can name the video. So if I name this Inset Tutorial Part 1, and then as mentioned before, if you sign in with your Gmail, it'll automatically sync it with your Google Drive and upload the video there when you're finished. So this is already, you'll see like a progress bar here when you first have this open, and it'll basically be downloading it to your Google Drive. And once that's done, that'll disappear, and this means it's already on your Google Drive. It's already been saved. So there's no need to do kind of file save as, it just saves it right away automatically for you into a folder. Once it's finished uploading, you can also trim the video as well. So these little scissors at the end, you can only do this once it's been uploaded to Google Drive. You can basically drag them along and cut the ends of the video. And then if you want to do that, you just click Save Trim. And yeah, that's it. Now, the only issue with this editor is you can only trim the ends. You can't trim anything in the middle. Now, apart from this, there's no other ways to edit unless you get premium. So you can open an editor, but if you do that, it's not going to let you do anything to it without paying to upgrade to premium instead. The length of the video limit and the editor are the only things that are different between the free and the paid versions. Once your video is ready to go, there's lots of options of how you can share it. So down at the right-hand side, if you click more options, this shows you the different ways that you can share it. So you can publish it straight to YouTube, you can get a code for it, you can email it straight out, you can generate a QR code that you could put onto PowerPoints, or you could use this for feedback. So you could always upload it to people's work, or probably most useful, you can post it directly to Google Classroom. So if you click the Share to Google Classroom link, this might take a little bit of time, it'll load a window. And then within this window, it will let you share it to your classes. So it will automatically connect to your Google account. And then this will open up. And what it'll give you the option to do is it'll give you the option to choose your classes, and also the option to choose what type of announcement you want to do as well. So I'm going to choose biology department, and then the action, I can make it as an assignment, a question, an announcement, or a material, and then you just click go and that'll post it directly. Now, that's fine for single videos, but if you want to upload multiple videos, I don't like making a million different announcements to people. So every time I post a video, they get another notification. So what I usually do is I just wait and make all my different video parts, and then I go to Google Classroom and I just create a new assignment or material. And then within this, I just click add, Google Drive. It will be in your most recent, but I'll show you how to get it from your drive. So you just go to my drive, and as I said already, the Screencastify extension already makes a folder in your Google Drive for you. You don't need to set this up. Every video you make will automatically get added to this folder. So you just click on that, and there you go. That's the video I made earlier. I can select as many videos as I want, and then click add, and that's them uploaded to Google Classroom. So this is how I've been uploading lessons in different parts, and it means they're not getting them all as separate announcements, then struggling to find them. So that's about everything for the minute. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me and let me know, and I'll try my best to help. This is all the kind of basics so far. So I hope that's been useful.